This giant panda is the rarest member of bear family and the threatest animal in the world because of the excessive poaching, deforestation and decreasing their bamboo food. So they are in endangered species now. Now we saw the giant panda and we discussed its number is decreasing on the earth. Its reason and all we have discussed. There are so many such animals on the earth which threats the extinction. If it continues like this, it may likely to be disappeared on the earth. Such species of animals are called endangered species. As we know, the human beings are the greatest threat to the survival of endangered animals. Now let's meet some of the animals which enlisted in the endangered species. See this animal. What is it? It is a tiger. All of us know the tiger is our national animal, but now it is classified as endangered animal because of the excessive killing of this animal by poachers. They are killing this animal for their body parts, and the other reason is loss of habitat. Now let's see a sea turtle. It is a sea turtle. Have you seen it before? Yes, this sea turtle also on our endangered list. Hunting is the biggest threat to this sea turtle with pouches targeting their skin, shell and egg. They are also at risk from habitat loss, climate changes and pollution. Then next. What is this? It is a leopard. Do you know the number of this leopard also decreasing because the excessive killing of this leopard for their skin and other body parts. Okay, then the loss of habitat is also a reason for the decreasing number. Then next. See this penguin. The number of penguin are also decreasing now. Okay, so they are in our endangered list. The decreasing number of their food is a reason for their number loss, and they are accidentally catching by fishing net. So their number is decreasing. So we can consider them as endangered species. Now we saw the animals whose number is decreasing on the earth. What we have to do to protect these animals? Can you say? To protect these animals, we have to educate people about the endangered species. Then reduce pollution, since pollution is the greatest threat to the animal world. Then what we can do next? Yes, we have to protect wildlife habitat. Loss of habitat is another cause of extinction of animals. The conservation of endangered animals is important for us for a well-balanced ecosystem. This purifies the environment. When ecosystem fails, our health at risk. This always we want to keep in our minds. Okay, thank you.